We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Rome Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a white 2015 Kia Optima with Georgia tag CSR7036 on March 20th, 2023. Remington Poe, a 2-year-old white female, was abducted by Jackie Blaine Tucker, a 30-year-old Hispanic male, and was last seen at 2 Fountain Square, Apartment B. Direction of travel is toward Gordon County, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the white 2015 Kia Optima with Georgia tag CSR7036 or the whereabouts of Remington Poe, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the C-Send app for iPhone and Android users.
Okay, people have been saying that I'm a J. Crew model.
No, we heard that about Jim.
Jim? No.